All right, here we go. We're going to do patterns and sequences. You guys will be excited to know this will be the last assignment in the book, in the ACT book. Everything else is going to be part of that Money Matters. So, and then the last week of school, we're going to do just any catch up and that kind of stuff. So you can breathe easy. We're almost done with this course. I appreciate those of you who've been working hard and getting your stuff turned in. Those of you who have not, please get that stuff turned in. All right, so here we go. This one was on arithmetic and geometric sequences and series. I had some introductory videos kind of reminding you about arithmetic and geometric, so I hope that was helpful. We're going to start looking at these questions. I'm going to try to get 1 through 3 here, maybe 4 and 5. We'll see. I got it up here, but we'll see if we get to it. All right, which of the following statements is not true about the arithmetic sequence? Okay, so keywords there are not true and arithmetic sequence. Okay, now remember, arithmetic sequence is one where we're adding something every time. We have a common difference. So if I look at my answer choices just real quick, I hope you notice that on E it says the common ratio. When do I have a common ratio? When I have a geometric sequence, right? So this would be my incorrect answer, which would be my answer, right? Because they want to know what is not true. If we look, they're going down by 4 each time, so D is true. So the sixth term would be -1. If I add the first 4 numbers, I will get 52. The next term down from -1 will be -5, so all the other ones are true. All right, number 2. The third term of an arithmetic sequence is 18, the third term, and the fourth term is 9. And they want to know the second term, so I have to go up 1. If you notice, if you're going down in terms, we're going down by 9 each time. So if I'm going backwards, I'd have to add 9. So 18 plus 9 should give me 27, right? So my answer is J. Okay? All right. They start off pretty easy. All right. In the arithmetic sequence below, how many terms are there between 17 and 41? Not including 17 and 41. Okay, so I got to figure out what they're doing each time. It's arithmetic sequence. If I notice, I'm adding 4 each time, right? So if I add 4 to 21, that would give me 25. And add another 4, that would give me 29. Another 4, that would give me 33. Another 4 would give me 37, and another 4 would give me to that 41. So they want to know how many terms between 17 and 41 without counting those. So I'm not counting that, and I'm not counting that. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. So my answer is B. Okay? All right, I think we can come over here and squeeze 4 and 5 in. All right, 4. The second term of arithmetic sequence is -11. Okay, so second is -11, and the third is -30. What is the first term? Okay, so they're going to be changing. I'm subtracting. If I look from -11 to -30, I'm subtracting, what, 19? So I'm going to have to add 19 to go backwards to the first term. So -11 plus 19 should give me 8. So my answer is H. Okay? All right. Number 5. Which of the following statements describes the total number of dots in the first n rows of the right triangular arrangement illustrated below? Okay. If I look at this, I can rule out E, right? Because there is a consistent relationship. I'm going up by 1 each time. So I can rule that out. The total is always equal to 15 regardless of number of rows. That's not true because the sum is gonna get bigger and bigger. The total is equal to 2 times the number of rows plus 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows times 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That doesn't work, right? So I can rule it out, plug in what you have. The total is equal to 3 times the number of rows. 5 times 3 is 15. That's 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That works for this scenario. But if I add in the 6th row, will it work? So 6 times 3 is 18. So I'm going from 15, I'm adding 6. That would be 21, not 18. So C doesn't work, so it has to be D, okay? So if you're not sure about one, plug in some of those and see what works. I hope that was helpful. I'll do the next 5 in just a minute.